Hey guys, today let's learn how to use ChatGPT's Whisper voice assistant. So for those who don't know, ChatGPT actually has this new feature called the voice assistant on its application. So in this video, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to use this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the ChatGPT application and make sure as well that you're also using the latest version of the application. And once we are here, in order for us to use the voice assistant or in order for us to use its whisper feature, all we need to do is to tap on this icon right next to the message chat box. So go ahead and tap on that, and basically it's going to start listening to you as you speak. So you could always tap on the pause button if you'd like to pause and go ahead and talk to your buddies that you have in your room. In order for us to activate this again, just tap on the big circle to activate it again, and to exit, just tap on this red cross. Now you can actually go ahead and just say your prompts using your voice over on its voice assistant, and it's also going to respond back to you with ChatGPT's results. So let's go ahead and say, make an article about how clothes are made.
Creating clothes involves several steps. First, designers sketch the garment to plan its look and style. Then, patterns are made serving as templates for cutting fabric.
So as you see, it's that easy for us to actually use this feature. And when you go ahead back onto your ChatGPT chat box, you will also see the transcription of what you said and what ChatGPT's results and responses are. So that is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the new video.